finance a car step-by-step guide. It's a common for car buyers who put most of their effort into finding their perfect car, and you are only think about finishing at the end of the journey. While getting the car right vehicle is critically important, figuring out how to pay for it. Getting a car loan is also a critical part of the car buying process. Figuring out your budget and financing can help you the cards how you can afford, helping you narrow and your choice. Few buyers can afford to pay cash for the full price of new or used or car purchase. Instead, you will need to get an auto loan or the cover either the entire cost of the vehicle or the substitutional part of it. Getting a bad car finance deal can force you to pay extra each month or of your credit history of year. Your loan payment is just one piece of the cost of owning a car. It needs to fit you into budget, while at the same time paying down the balance as quickly as possible. Do your homework and it's make sure it's not just about hey, I want to pay $3,000 a month, says Erin Gillespie, executive director of the Strategic Alliance and LA Financial Rally. Make sure that vehicle meet your needs, that you can ensure it the fuel economy makes sense for you. You can drive the number of miles you need. That you have the financially that the need you need so that you are get the whole package and the total cost of the ownership experience as opposed to the shopping the vehicle payment. Our new
Ring.
car ranking and used car ranking and reviewer will help you find the right vehicle. We are the following step and will guide you through getting a great deal on your car loan. It's common for car buyers to put off the throw of financial until they are in a car dealership financial office. This unfortunately a path to potential financial calamity, as most car buyers know physically how much vehicle they can afford and have a plan in place to finish their new ride before and they even think about heading the dealership. You might up the dealer financial, but if the dealer does not have any offer to beat, they will no initiative to give you more affordable deal. There are 7 steps to take when financial a new car used a car. 1. Learn the language of lending. Know all the financial terms that you are likely to be used when you are looking for a car loan. 2. Get your credit score and understand why it matters. Understand what your credit score in why it matters when you are financial a car. Third, find a good financial deal. Learn when you how to get car financial that you can afford. 4. Apply for a car loan the right way. Learn the step to apply for a car loan. 5. Look at leadership in financing offer. Compare your app report, auto loan and an offer of a car leadership. 6. Finalize the deal. Sign the loan paperwork and close the deal. 7. Take these extra steps after you have to auto loan. Learn what happened your finalized deal. There are 7 steps or car language of lending. 1. Learn the language of lending. There are some essential terms that you will want to understand before you begin your auto financial adventure. Here are few the most important. Car loan, also auto loan or car financing. A car loan is a contract between you need a lender where you are agreed to provide you with a cash to buy a new car or used car and you agree to pay the money back over time. Unless you get a 0% financial deal, you will have to pay interest each month on the loan balance. That interest rate will be the specific in the loan papers. Some lender will also charge you a loan fee. Until you completely pay off loan, the lender will hold the title of the vehicle. Interest
Ring.
also financial
Ring
charge.
ring.
Interest is the cost of borrowing the money from the lender. It is expressed as an interest rate, often called the annual percentage rate of APR. The interest covers the lender costed risks and provide them with a profit margin. What separates these auto loan rates are near historical loans. They have they have now slowly climbed toward more normal range. The annual percentage rate you pay is affected by a multitude of factors, including some you can control and many you cannot. Your personal credit history, the length of the loan you are seeking, and even the type of vehicle that you are buying doesn't signing the effect of the rate. You will ask to pay different lender. Car loan term. The loan term is length of the auto loan and typically expressed as the number of a month. Loan term 60 to 48 months are one of the most common length. You are more expensive. However, loan are within 60 to 73 months or even longer are widely available. It's a good idea to dividing the loan term by 12 so you can truly understand the number of years that you will take to pay off the vehicle. Longer loans mean more risks for lenders, so they typically come from the higher interest rate. You generally want to get the shortest loan you can afford. Having a shorter loan helps you avoid the possibility that you will still be trying to pay off your car at the same time as the car is led to the even more costly repair. You don't want to be forced with the choice of paying for repairing or having the money to make your monthly car payment. Principal. The loan principal, the balance of the loan. When you can take out the financing, you will the total loan amount. As you can monthly payment, the principal will decline it is payment. A portion will go toward interest and the rest will pay down of the principal. Down payment. A down payment is an amount of monthly that you can towards the purchase of the car when you initially buy it. It can come from the cash payment. You trade in both the amount you will have financial the difference between the price of the car and amount of the down payment. For example, you buy a $4,000 Mivian or pay by 10,000 down payment. You will have the initial $3,000 monthly payment or car payment. Each month you will be required to make payment towards the loan principal and interest money payment will be occur and have a specific due date. Figuring out the monthly payments on a specific loan requires relatively sophisticated math as evolved by paying a bit less interested each month as the loan balance declines. Fortunately, you can quickly find an answer by plugs for a new number into our car payment calculator. It's circle that you will look the cost of the car plus the total cost of the interest when compared to loans. Focusing on the monthly payment, the number of monthly you are paying the interest to be alone will not give you the complete picture of the total cost of the vehicle. Know your credit score and understand why